Welcome to Aviation High School, a typical high school on the outside, but something very rare on the inside. But we'll get to that in just a minute. First, we want to introduce 3 new Aviation High School students, Alex, Taylor, and Jordan. We'll follow them as they discover the amazing and unique benefits of this almost 100-year-old school. Like most new students, they're somewhat anxious about starting their first day. But within a few hours of some English, math, and science, their teachers have already made them feel right at home. We join our guide Bill in a special workshop with our 3 students. Before Bill unveils what's really special about this high school, he shows the 3 students a pulley system that will be installed in a flight control system later on. As our students grow into high schoolers and Bill gets a little older, we see them heading towards 2 big doors that will lead them to the rest of their lives. As our 3 students grow into high schoolers, Bill leads them towards the really special part of this high school. Bill, our instructor, will help Alex, Taylor, and Jordan on their journey to earning certificates that will open up a world of opportunity. Welcome to the Aviation High School Hangar, where we certify hundreds of aircraft mechanics each year. Planes are built and rebuilt over and over again. With excellent attendance and graduation percentages, we can confidently say that our unique, hands-on approach works well. Students can graduate as an AMT and earn up to $100,000 in a high-demand industry with hundreds of career options. We duplicate the environment that our students will eventually encounter in the real world, with leadership positions like supervisor, crew chief, 2 chief, and more. Aviation High School accepts students from all across New York City, but it isn't for the faint of heart. Students will face tough challenges they will need to overcome in order to achieve their goals. And historically, about 95% of our students conquer those tough challenges and achieve their goals, finding careers they love and are well paid for. Some of those careers can lead our students right back to Aviation High School, as most of our instructors were once Aviation High School students themselves, who now play a vital role in teaching our students how to achieve their goals. And when it's time to put all that hard work and learning to the test, they'll be ready. And when you've accomplished your goals and are living your dreams, you can always come back home. Aviation High School, where dreams take flight.